Everyone, my name is Tanya Joshi. Today I am here to give a video presentation. I have chosen the topic What is National Income? Discuss the different methods of measuring the national income. I have chosen the platform YouTube. YouTube is an online public communication site where videos are shared. Users can create their own accounts where they can upload views, share videos, and comment on them. What is national income? National income is the aggregate money value of all incomes earned by individuals and enterprises. National income may also be defined as the money measure of the net aggregates of all commodities and services accruing to the inhabitants of an economy during a year. Thus, the concept national income has different meanings. It may be described as the national product or national income or national dividend. Discuss the different methods of measuring the national income. Goods which are further used in production process are called intermediate goods in the value of final goods. Value of intermediate goods is already included thereof. Thereof we do not count value of intermediate goods in national income. Otherwise there will be double counting of value of goods. To avoid the problem of double counting, we can use the value addition method in which not the whole value of commodity but value addition, that is value of final good, value of intermediate good at each stage of production is calculated, and these are summed up to arrive at GDP. So you can see the methods. First one is product method and the second one is income method. In product method, we calculate money value of all final goods and services produced in an economy during a year. Final goods here refer to those goods which are directly consumed and not used in further production process. The money value is calculated at market prices, so sum total in GDP at market prices. GDP at market prices can be converted into by methods discussed earlier. And second method is income methods. Under this method, national income is measured as a flow of factor incomes. There are generally four factors of production: labor, capital, land, entrepreneurship. Labor gets wages and salaries. Capital gets interest, land gets rent, and entrepreneurship gets profit as their remuneration. And the third method is an expenditure method, advertisements. In this method, national income is measured as a flow of expenditure. GDP is a sum total of private consumption expenditure, government consumption expenditure, gross capital formation, and net exports, export import. So here is a definition of GDP. GDP is the market value of all final goods and services produced in a country in a given time period. So, in market value, goods and services are valued in the market prices. GDP rises if price rises. Final goods and services bought by final users. Intermediate goods are produced by one firm, bought by another, and used as a component of a final good or service. Exclude intermediate goods to avoid double counting. So, this is a net national product, NNP. This refers to the net production of goods and services in a country during a year. NNP is also called a national income at market prices. We get NNP from deducting the depreciation from GNP. Therefore, NNP is equal to GNP minus depreciation. What is personal income? Economics. In economics, personal income refers to an individual's total earnings from wages, investment, enterprises, and other ventures. It is the sum of all the incomes received by all the individuals or household during a given period. What is disposable income? Disposable income, also known as disposable personal income, is the amount of money that households have available for spending and saving after income taxes have been accounted for. Disposable personal income is often monitored as one of the many key economic indicators used to gauge the overall state of the economy. What is per capita income? Per capita income is measure of the amount of money earned per person in a nation or geographic region. Per capita income for a nation is calculated by dividing the country's national income by its population. So, I hope this information will help you all finding that what is national income and what were the different methods of measuring the national income. Thank you.